Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to automatically buy and sell tokens on Solana. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are several trading bots available for Solana, such as the Solana Trading Board and SolMaker. You can find these on platforms like GitHub or SolMaker's website. Once you found a bot, then create a new Solana wallet and transfer some Sol or Solana native cryptocurrency to it. You may also need to convert some Sol to USDC or Sol depend on the bot's configuration. Next, follow the instructions provided by the bot's documentation to configure it. This usually involves setting up parameters such as the wallet's private key, RPC endpoints, and trading strategies. Once configured, run the bot according to the instructions. The bot will monitor market conditions in the real time and execute trades based on predefined parameters and strategies. Keep an eye on the bot's performance and make adjustments as needed to optimize your trading strategy. So that's basically how you can automatically buy and sell tokens on Solana. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.